Every day, hackers out there try to get into the system. But did you know there is the entire career path dedicated to stop them? It's called the Blue Team Cybersecurity. Hello everyone, I'm Fee. On today's video, I will walk through the career path of the Blue Team in cybersecurity from the beginner all the way to the senior leadership. And don't worry, I will keep it simple so anyone can understand. Level 1. Beginner level. At the beginner stage, you're learning the foundation on defending the system. These are the roles where most people start in a Blue Team cybersecurity. Number 1. Security Operations Center Analyst or SOC Analyst. Imagine that you're sitting in the control room with so many screens in the front of you. You are monitoring the alerts and also spotting the suspicious behavior. Thinking about they are the digital security guard for the digital house. 2. Junior security incident. When something goes wrong, you're helping the team to contain and clean up the incidents. Thinking about you are the rocky firefighter that fight the small little cyber fire. Level 2. Intermediate level. Once you get the experience, you step up into the intermediate level. This is where your role is actively defending the system, and these are the roles for the intermediate level. Number 1. Security engineer. Your tasks include configuring and maintaining the firewalls, the detection system, and the endpoint security. Think of it as you are creating the lock and the alarm system for the digital house. Number 2. Threat hunter. Instead of waiting for the alarm like the SOC analyst, they are working to hunt the attackers that are already in the system. It's like a security guard that's searching for the intruder. So this is the one that is active, looking around and walking around the digital house. 3. Digital forensic investigator. They are the investigator who dig into the hack system to figure it out what, how, and who did it. Thinking about they are the CSI for the computer. 4. Incident responder. They are the firefighter in cybersecurity. They are handling the major cyber breach, stopping the attacker, and also guiding for the recovery of the system. Level 3. Advanced level. Now let's move into the advanced level. I'm personally here. I'm working as cybersecurity consultant. Instead of monitoring the alert or configuring the security tools, my job is to assess the risks, design the defensive strategy, and help the organization to strengthen their security posture. Other advanced Blue Team roles include 1. Security architect. They are the mastermind of designing the whole organization's security blueprint. 2. GRC specialist. GRC stands for Governance, Risk, and Compliance. They are the policy and the strategy team in cybersecurity. They're making sure that the company follows the security standards, laws, and also frameworks. Think of them as the rule makers in the cybersecurity to make sure that everything is in order. Level 4. Senior leadership. Finally, at the top, you get the senior leadership roles. Number 1. Security manager or director. They lead the teams of engineer, analysts, and also hunters, and making sure the organization defense remains strong and also effective. Number 2. Chief Information Security Officer or CISO. They are the general of the Blue Team cybersecurity. They are responsible of setting the overall strategy in the organization, managing the risk, and also reporting to the executives member. So that's the blue team cybersecurity career path from the beginning as a SOC analyst and all the way up to the CISO on the senior leadership. Personally for me, it's been an amazing journey. It is challenging, but also one of the most rewarding career that I can have. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Also let me know on the comments below which of the blue team roles that excite you the most. Is it the SOC analyst, the security engineer, or maybe the CISO? Maybe you see yourself as a CISO in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye!